Hey guys, Superfast Cubing here. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the snake cube. So the snake cube is not at all a 3x3. It doesn't have any notations or it doesn't have any algorithms or so. It's just getting it out from a cube shape and getting it into a cube shape. So now let's get it out of the cube shape, or I mean scrambling it. Okay, I scrambled it. Now, our first aim in solving it the cube should be in a zigzag form, or you can call it snake form. It should be up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is up. I have to get this down, but it's up and this is straight, so I have to get it up. So up, down, up, down, up. Now I get this up. Now I get this down, I get this up, up and down. And this is in a zigzag form. So now our first aim is holding the cube properly. So you have to keep this M in our right side. So how do we do it? You have to move the cube like this. So now it became a W. So you have to turn the cube. And now this small M is in our right side, so the cube is placed properly. Now our first aim is joining this bar to this bar. So it's an easy step. Get it like this. You have to just follow the steps what I'm doing. So now I get this up. Now I move this and get it, and I have to get this back, and I move this bar back. And then I have to tilt, like the white part should be over here and the black part should be more before us or in front of us. Yeah, now this turn. Now we have to join this half bar to this. So how do we do it? You have to just push it and the bar joined. Now our next step is joining this full bar on this bar. So how do we do it? You have to get it up, move to the right, move the unsolved part to our right side and push it down. And now our next step is getting this bar over here. So how do we do it? You have to just move the bar by putting the unsolved in our right side, and I place the bar. And then now comes the tricky step. We have to place these three pieces as a 7. So how do we do it? You have to get these two aside from us and push it down. So now this forms the 7. Now you have to put this bar over here and then put this bar over here. So just pull it and this bar will be automatically solved, and we have to just solve the cube. And the cube will be solved. If you learn the cube, please like, share and subscribe Superfast Cubing. Thank you.